Welcome to the channel. I'm ShadowScoutSwede. Today we are going to do an unboxing of my new EDC item I ordered. And I got it last week. So, here is the box. My new EDC item is in. And before we open it, we will be back after this message. Welcome back, guys. Let's get into this video, shall we? Okay, here we have the box with my new EDC item. Let's open it and see what we have inside. The lid came off nice and easy. And I turned this box around so you can see what's inside. And here we have my new tactical pen with an extra ink cartridge. It's nice to have a spare one. So, let's take this baby out of the box, and I will tell you the specs. This one weighs 49 grams. The length is 148 millimeters. And this is a tactical pen made of turned strong aluminum. Mild grip surfaces for better grip. Strong clip in steel, and trust me, this is a strong clip. I love this because this is nice and tight, so this fits really nice in the pocket. And I have actually had this one with me at work, and I had it in my pocket and it didn't fall out. The clip on this I really like. And black is one of my favorite colors. And at the back we have a carbide tip. As you can see. And carbide tips, you know, is very strong, very durable. And this one can be used as a glass breaker, which is the purpose of it. But I would recommend you guys have gloves if you are going to break a glass with a pen like this, or otherwise your hands will not be happy. You will have some cuts, and that is not nice, and you will bleed all over the place. So remember, put some gloves on, okay? And this is for glass breaker, is for emergencies most of the time. Preferably emergencies, okay? And the design is robust and makes the pen suitable for field use, even with gloves on, which is really nice if you have gloves. Some pens doesn't fit that well when you have gloves on, so you have to take off the gloves to use the pen. But with this, you can use your gloves on, which is really nice and awesome. And when you screw this to left, you have the tip of the pen, and you twist that back and the tip goes back in for protection. In tactical pens, you can use this also for self-defense, especially when it comes to pressure points, if you know them, and if you are trained and have some skill to use a Kubaton. This one would work very well for that purpose. So, a nice pen. I have had this for a couple of days now, and I tried this out. Actually, I have written with it, and actually it is really comfortable to write with this pen. It feels very comfortable in my hand. and I love the color, and well, I can highly recommend to have a tactical pen. And this one cost me $9, something around $9-10. And I also bought one of these for my wife as well. So my wife also have one. So that's really nice that she have one too, because why buy one for me when I can buy one for my wife as well? Actually, my wife were really happy about it. So I hope she will have a good use of her pen as well. And the box it came with is really nice for protection. So overall, I'm very happy with this pen. And most of the time, these kind of pens are usually expensive, but I found one for a good price. So why not go ahead and buy it? And for that price, this is a good pen. And it also got very good reviews. I believe it was 4.5 stars of 5. So that is a good review result for a pen like this. So nice and sturdy, and it feels heavy when you pick it up for the first time. It feels heavy, but I like it. I like the weight on this pen, and 49 grams. It's a decent weight. It's not that bad actually. I carried this one in my pocket at work, and even when I'm not at work, I carry this in my pocket, and I can't even feel it that I have it. So, and this stick in my pocket thanks to this sturdy steel clip. So, and I like the shape of the clip as well. I like the design on this one. So what do you think, guys, about tactical pens? And feel free to comment on this one and let me know what you think. And if you would like to buy a tactical pen yourself, which I highly recommend, because a pen is discreet tool, and this you can write with and break glass, and for self-defense. So a multi-purpose tool basically. So thank you guys for watching. Thank you for stopping by. I appreciate that. And if you're new here, feel free to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to ring the notification bell so you get notified when I upload new videos and go live. That's all for today. I will see you in the next one. Stay safe, stay vigilant. God bless. ShadowScoutSwede out.